You can expect a lot from the 2008 Dodge Charger. This four-door, five-passenger sedan is still under 75,000 miles. Dodge infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as delay-off headlights, front and rear reading lights, speed-sensitive wipers, remote keyless entry, and more. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Dodge ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Come on in and take a test drive.